Order for aha Adom TV. Jumadi we Nkuranhyensem. Me ameti dwam amedi jumadi on chame. Edi am yeso nita ekotego. Wo de mama odi minimudi dada. Na de amesra ma ona da ese onyame beye wadom na adom wo na wabrabo na muntuo di susaso papa abrewo na empo edi ayeye amosoro. Oyeyi a ya na mepe. Enesoso enioma yetaya yo ye be ma ya brabo edimu se empo enyankopon ensa no adwuma onyame wo bo ni padasa ni bia no odi bi hye omu asese utimi tumpon wahunu se ebro ani wo de hyefo mu a brebre na pagya na mu na aso aba banchi dua keto de hefo mu a na aso aba bibia onyame ye bia no e abaso na ni nyina so e nneoma bi wo ho a yeyo so wo de ebro ani ehye toyam na akata to ano so a emfiedu emfifi because nye ho na esese efifire enti ade bi yankopon eyoye no ewo nyina so nti a etimutumpon enam eda nsuomu a owonkwa ofiri nsuomu a wowu enti no saa na nipa so no ewo ni ye bi wo ho asese wo na die asam abrabo adimu tinede me ma ba ku bi ene se se wotimi trust na bi san se enti me da ache de you have to learn to visualize your future self. 2 years from today, 5 years from today, 10 years from today, how do I want to be seen or known? If you know economy, if you know, if you do, conversion person whom you and a dim ben a person at the bomb. In 1 year's time, in 2 years' time, in 3 years' time, 5 years' time, how do I want my spouse to feel about me? Obi a menene wa wadimu kwamba so mpese onya atenka fa me ho mfie mienu ekoi. You see, you visualize your future by looking at what works and what doesn't work. You know bo ho abrabo mu wa oni mi se wo de bibi a eje yi. You know bo ho a oni mi se wo de ade a eje yi. Nti wo be hwe wo future no say me in 3 years time I want to be the international motivational speaker. An international Nkuranhyensem. Fine, my setting me goal, no. So my international there, I need to do certain things right. I need to appeal to hearts internationally. So my kasa, I can't 1 year any Ghana keke akoma so. You say me kabro for no and French, but me to Ghana to make a tree. They say me international oriented. Na empo matari shemu any contacts network amaye. When I'm million kita dia hu except me international. Then my goal is working. For example, in 2 years' time, me person will be shame because we dear why you defo why your mama, we dear mobruhuni, uhuni pamobo. It means me kasa ne me ne any madwina me dwini nyina be gina sa tibia we so. I want to be known as a kind man. Kind. Obi a wo ahumobro ya otunu hu si o ma obi. So you need to set a goal. And your goal must be based on what we call values. The things that are important to you. I have 4 values. And you're my sumbo my brabo ye 9. But you respect, obuo, responsibility. Sanko ye amiana mi yoye. Eko ye nso amiana mi yoye. Integrity. Pepepe yoni no kureka. Oh. And ba ko so innovation and creativity. Say abribia me be fufuro na sebe obi ho atono. These are my 4 values. Therefore, some fatimo pobia maybe say when obuo bata ho, am I responsible for this decision? Am I creating an innovation? And is it integrous? So the same way, so I say also your values. Ghana ni awutemi. But we need values are for our phone, not type. What are values? Now I pick up values. Or what you say we have values, you know kru wo fie. Na mo trouble mo dem in this house. We live by integrity. We live by respect. We live by being responsible. And we live by we no akasa. Therefore, obi o fidua dem nyina na montuo nyina gina sa values we so. And na so boma wote eko wani no, you will yield the fruits of integrity. Me se abrabo ayebo no. Se wotwa mfoni fa woda ache ho. Wo chena bi afese ne. Emfie num se ne. Say na mpese abusua hunu me. say na mpesa wo man hunu me say na mpesa madwuma yefo am na adwuma hunu me say na mpesa me ho kani hunu me you create a picture of what you want to be known for the future na sa picture no obekura bibi e friend values no ma show boma wo me de e nan ma kire responsibility, respect, integrity, and innovation. And ti abribia me no bi ya e de agura me de obuo respect. Sam koyi me you say me kan ho bi. Say koyi so me kan ho bi. I'm responsible for everything I do. Therefore, before I make a decision, I should check the consequences because I'm responsible for my consequences. I have integrity. I try to be very loyal and truthful in my decisions and choices. I have what I call innovation. And you know, if you make a picture of your future, find values to work with in your family. When you have values, you know, say, "Upe bibi a friend, appraiser, performance." You what you mean? Busimi siambia na afibia no. Adwumafo no mpanifo no betrance. Aha utosin wa ha. How ye we a friend performance appraiser. And our performance management. Ni awo ye ko ye no, ni ateke yanko ye ni na udi asua de. Onipa wa brabo mu. Do you do performance appraiser? Wa brabo mu apomodne kra do you appraise your health? Say me body to say, me BP to say, me kasa you need to appraise everything about you. Appraise your spirituality. Me nyame som ekosai. Me mpa boy ekosai. Ayi me de nyankopon ekosai. Me ne me who can ascertain me appraise la me dimu a show any a safata. Many me ma enkita hudie a show any a dimu a safata. So set ultimate appraisal about your life every time. When you do appraisal, it shows you where you are making mistakes and where you need to improve upon your life. Me dase pass on yam refe me. Mamencha Albert, Francis, Isaac, Osmosis, and my producers, Randolph, and Ejawebe campaign.